Instructions for half-yearly examination. Now, on all exam days, question paper will be sent to you in your WhatsApp group. The question paper will be in the form of a PDF. Clear? Now, you have to download that question paper and then you have to make the mobile phone in flight mode. Now, what does it mean? You must have seen an aeroplane symbol in your phone. Yes? Wherever you increase and decrease the light, you have that symbol aeroplane. Please do that so that there's no phone call, there's no messages, nobody to disturb you, and you can write your paper peacefully. You can concentrate better. Then you may take 10 minutes to read and understand the question paper. So first 10 minutes you go through the question paper and see if you know everything properly. Clearly? Next, write the examination, the test copies. A student had to buy a 10 rupee copy for each subject and use it as a test copy. Now what is happening when you're buying a 10 rupee copy for each subject? It means you have 10 subjects. So that means you will buy 10 copies. Is that clear? 1 copy each for every subject. Understood? Next, you will write name, class, roll number, section and serial number on the top of every page. On every page there will be name, class, section, roll number. Clear? Next, duration of each paper is 2 hours. You know this very well. Except maths and Hindi, which are 2.5 hours duration. So only for maths and Hindi you have 2.5 hours. Right? Now, parents are requested to conduct the exam and supervise the child so that the child writes the exam honestly and sincerely in a peaceful environment. So whosoever your guardian is next to you will ensure that you write it properly. Clear? Then number 8. Once the examination is over, take photographs of complete answer sheet. Very clear photographs you will take. Understood? And you will send it to the subject teacher in WhatsApp within 10 minutes of the completion time. Right? Like tomorrow you have got computers. I have already given you Satpathy sir's number. So first day tomorrow computer you will send that, but all the PDF that you will make for computer, one PDF, you will send it to Satpathy sir. You will send it within 9:20 AM for all subjects except maths and Hindi, which is for 9:50. Now what does this mean? This means suppose you don't have to wait for the time 9:20. Suppose you got the question paper at 7. Right? Maybe you'll get it 5 minutes earlier, maybe you'll get it on time 7. What you have to do, you have to download it, and then after downloading you will switch off your internet and everything by putting your phone on flight mode. Now peacefully you will write your exam. Suppose your exam gets over in 1 hour 40 minutes or 1 hour 50 minutes. Right? So you will start taking the photo and you will start making a PDF. When your PDF is ready, you will send it to the subject teacher. Tomorrow you have to send it to Satpathy sir. Is that clear? Yes, you will send it to Satpathy sir. But you will not wait for the timing 9:20. You will send it whenever it is over, you will send it to Satpathy sir. Understood now? Right? So if it is over by 9 or suppose it is over by 8:50 or 9:05, you will start making the PDF. Clear? All PDF should reach by before 9:20. Understood? Next, it is compulsory to send the photos of answer sheet. Yes, it is compulsory to send the photos of answer sheet. It is compulsory within the time. If you are not sending within the time, then because you have failed to send it, yes, it will not be considered for evaluation. Understood? Then you should send the photograph in the form of a PDF in WhatsApp. PDF to the subject teacher. Right? You will not send in 9C group. You will not send in your class group of standard 9. You will only send it in personal WhatsApp number of that subject teacher. Right? And the WhatsApp number of the subject teacher has been given to you. Right? You will save it. Okay? Now, parents are requested to collect each day's copy from the child and sign it. Right? At the last page, wherever he has written finished the answer, the parent is supposed to sign it. Okay? That they are taking responsibility, that the exam has been given properly. Okay? They will simply sign, and after that, what will happen? The parents will bring, not the students, the parents will bring and submit all the copies, test copies in the school. Now, which date you have to bring the copies? For standard 9, you have to submit the copy on 26th September morning 8 to 11, all 5 subject copies, and then on 5th October from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Again, all 5 subject copies. Is that clear? Yes, that is to be done by the parents. Now suppose this is where you begin. So on the first you will write very clearly, big, very clear, you will write name, class, section, roll number, subject, right? And you will take the photograph of this page. Okay? Then you will take the photo of page 1 and you will write answers. You will write only answers in your copy. You don't have to write the question. Then page number 2, then page number 3, then page number 4, right? Then page number 5, then page number 6. Every page you will write name, class, section, roll number, subject. Understood? Then suppose your answer is ending on page number 7. So after wherever you have written, starting suppose you have written 5 lines, 10 lines, wherever, then below your parents will sign it. Is that clear? So you will send the PDF of all those pages. If you have finished your answer in 5 pages, so please remember in the 5th page only, suppose it gets over in 5th page, every page will have name, class, section, roll number. Understood now? So wherever it will get over, you will ask your parents to put a signature there. Understood now? Right? And you have to write only answers, no questions. You have to write only answers. Clear? You may use red pen, you may use blue pen or black pen, whatever. And you will take very clear photographs. Let me repeat again and again. You will take very clear photographs and you will keep those PDFs saved with you as well. Understood?